Hey guys, another installation video. Today we're working on the fog lights. Come on. So let's do the fog lights. It's about time to get them in. So I have no idea how to do this. I have a feeling we have to get this off, which is, if you know, it's just these push pin style things. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on there. Bunch on the back side. You can use this flathead screwdriver, or if you have like a pry tool like this, they work great. We're gonna get this off first. I'm pretty sure we can do this without removing the entire front bumper, because there's some videos that say you have to do that, and then there's other videos that say no, you don't have to do that. We're gonna try to not do that. So we're gonna get that off, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to get these panels off as well. And there's a bunch of more push pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on that one. We're gonna get all that done, but let's get started here. I'm gonna start pulling these off, and we'll go from there. Okay, getting a good look in here. We may not have needed to pull that off, but I did it anyway. But this back panel definitely has to come off, so I'm gonna pull these push pins out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a bottom one there, and there's another bottom one back there. Those will definitely have to come out, because this panel definitely has to come off. I can already feel the wire on the back side of this for the fog light, but this panel has to come off to get those removed. What I think I'm going to do is I might turn my tire just to get it out of the way and give me a little bit more room to work with per side. So I'm going to start with the driver here, and then we'll go to the passenger. I think I figured things out. So we had that big one here, and then we had another big one on the other side where my finger is right now. Now, also, we have what I believe, to get this out the rest of the way, is, I don't know. Let's see. It should just come out, but it's not wanting to. But that's pretty much pulled all the way back there. We have access to the thing there, but I'm going to try to get this off. I'll tell you how I did it once it's done. Okay, it was actually out all the way. It just needed to be pried out a little bit further from right here, but it was unsecured all the way. So now we officially are ready to undo these screws here. Now let's see what size they are. I have a 7mm here, and what do you know? It's a 7mm. What are the odds of that? So we're gonna get those out, and because we have this connector here, we're gonna use that one connector without needing to do any more work there. So let us get this done.